There's really only one vehicle that blends this classic style and a modern design to create the next generation of a real icon. Take a look at this 2020 Tesla Model X long range in deep blue metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, brake assist, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 11,000 miles on the odometer, 17-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, power swinging rear doors, heated rear seats, panoramic rooftop, electric motor with 259 horsepower, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6201A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.